Hi everyone, so today I've just come to show you a quick little kit that I've put together. These are French ephemera pieces. They were all scanned in, they're all from original pieces that I have in my personal stash. There's 13 sheets, comes in a PDF and it is on my website, and the link to that will be below. So I'll just quickly show you. So there is this. And then we have some postcards, and there's three. That one's kind of ran the wrong way, but obviously you're going to cut it up anyway, aren't you? So we've got three postcards there, and then we have three here as well. How cute are they? And then I scanned the backs of these postcards, so there's three different ones on here. And then on this one there is three, but two of them are the same, because one of them it must have been like glued into something at some point in its life, and it had all these like ugly little marks on it, and I couldn't really scan it because it didn't look nice at all, so I just doubled up on these, so you have got an extra one there. Then there is I think there's 3 or 4 of these. Is it 4? 4 of these kind of French letters, and you can slightly see where it had been embossed on there as well. The image is shown through. So there's that one. Then there's this one with lots of scribbling and stuff on there, and obviously if you speak French or can read French, you will know what all that means. And then we have this one. I used some of the original pieces in some of the last journals that I made. I'm just showing you because I've got them on like portrait. Yeah, I used some of the originals in that. Then here we've got 4 sheets of, now these were obviously very big ledger pages, and I couldn't scan the full size of them because they were way too big. So what I did was I kind of folded them in half, and obviously once you've cut them you'll see, like, which one goes with which, but I would normally, with that size anyway, tear it in half and fold it into a journal. So we've got them 2 there, and these 2, and again it's all from original pieces. Some of the dates, what was it, 1931, and then one of these that's 1901 on there. I'm not sure if that's don't think that's a date of any sort, and there's not one on there. But obviously on the postcards you've got dates on there that you can barely see. I'm trying to think what that is. I don't know if that's like 1937, I'm not sure. But anyway, that is the little kit. We'll put the link below if you're interested. I'm gonna be adding these into obviously the next journal that I make. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye.